Welcome. In front of me is the INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend the list, and between those toggles you should find somewhere power saving mode. So we do have ultra power, hopefully there's also a normal one. Looks like there isn't one. I'm trying to check if there is a normal power saving mode. So obviously we have the ultra power saving mode, but as I will enable it, you can see that this does affect the phone. As you can see, some of the apps just become unusable. You have like phone, messages, and calendar apparently as the only apps that I can use. And it looks like everything else on the home screen is not usable. We lost access to also our notifications, and you have the quit button right here if you want to go back to the normal mode. So that's the ultra power saving mode, and I'm also going to check if there is a normal one that would be located in the settings, in this case under battery. It looks like as there isn't any kind of normal power saving mode. So you either go fully limited or none at all. So anyway, yes, that's your power saving mode, and there's only the ultra one, and as you've seen, that is kind of how you enable it and use it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.